Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Shyamal. In this class we are going to discuss about concept of postmodernism in geography. Okay, this is an important topic in Geographical Thought Unit 8 for UGC NET examination paper 2 geography. Okay, if you are new in my classes, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, let's start the class. First of all, what is postmodernism? A late 20th century intellectual movement post 1970s reacting against modernism's fate in religion, science and universal grand theories, meta-narratives. Okay, in geography, postmodernism from the late 1980s through the cultural turn challenged positivist quantitative geography's claim to objective universal spatial laws. It opened the discipline to humanistic, feminist and critical perspective. A key idea: there is no single correct way to read the world. Knowledge is situated, partial and constructed. Core features: rejection of universal grand narratives, Marxism and structuralism, emphasis on plurality, difference and multiple truths, deconstruction of text, maps and discourses to reveal hidden power, focus on local, contextual and fragmented knowledge, blurring of boundaries between disciplines, high low culture, fact and fiction. Okay, there are some philosophical roots and key thinkers. Postmodernism in geography draws heavily on French post-structuralist philosophy and literary criticism. Jean Francois lettered The Postmodern Conditions, 1979, declared the end of the grand narratives, Marxism, Enlightenment, Progress. Michael Foucault, Power and Knowledge Nexus, Discourse shapes what counts as truth, basis for discourse analysis in geography. Jacques Derrida, deconstruction, text and maps these landscapes contain multiple and contradictory meanings. Jean Baudrillard, hyperreality and simulacra media star saturated world, blurs the real and represented. These are some philosophical roots and key thinkers of postmodernism concept in geography. Now the cultural turn in geography, how postmodern ideas entered geographic thought from the late 1980s onward. 1970s, what happened? Positivist and quantitative geography dominant, laws, models, spatial science, criticized as overly objective. 1980s, the humanistic and behavioral critics gained ground, growing interest in meaning, place and experience. Late 1980s, cultural turn, geographers, example Cosgrove, Jackson and Souza, adopt postmodern and post-structuralist ideas. 1990s to 2000s, rise of new cultural geography, feminist geography, post-colonial geography and critics of representation like maps, landscapes as texts. Key postmodern themes in geography: deconstructing maps and text. Maps, landscapes and geographic text are read as discourses, embedding power relations, not neutral representation of reality. J.B. Harley's critical cartography. Feminist and gender geography challenges the masculinist view from nowhere, bias of traditional geography, and foregrounds gendered experiences of space and place. Post-colonial critic questions Eurocentric geographic knowledge, highlights how colonial cartography and regional classification served imperial power. Place, identity and difference, emphasizes locality, multiple identities, race, class, gender, sexuality, and the politics of difference over universal spatial models. Modernism versus postmodernism in geography. Aspect: modernist geography, postmodern geography. View of knowledge: objective, universal and value-free in modern geography. Similarly situated, partial, socially constructed in postmodern geography. Method: quantitative models and spatial laws in modernist geography. Discourse analysis, deconstruction and ethnography in postmodern geography. Scale of interest: global and regional generalizations in Indian modernist geography, and local, particular and everyday places in postmodern geography. Theory: single grand theory, example spatial science in postmodern geography. And in modern geography and postmodern geography, plurality of theories rejects meta-narratives. Representations in modernist geography, maps data seen as neutral, and postmodern geography, maps text seen as embedded power and ideology. Identify focus: largely absent and homogenized in modernist geography, and gender, race, class, sexuality are sexuality central are some identity focus in postmodern geography. Okay, this is a comparative table between modernism and postmodernism in geography. Then critics of postmodern geography, major criticism: relativism. If all knowledge is situated, how can we judge between competing claims? Example on poverty and environment. Risks of political paralysis, emphasis on difference may undermine collective action, example for social justice. Accused of obscure, jargon-heavy language inaccessible to wider audiences. Neglects material economic structures, emphasis on Marxist and structuralist geography. Critics, example David Harvey, argue that it can depoliticize geography by ignoring capitalism's role. Lasting influence made geography more reflexive about its own assumptions and representations, legitimized qualitative and interpretive and participatory methods, paved the way for feminist, postcolonial and critical geographies that remain influential today. Practice question for NET examination. Question 1. Who is associated with the phases, the end of grand narratives? Correct answer is option number B, Lyotard. The culture and turn in geography is most closely linked with, correct answer is option number B, postmodernism. J.B. Harley's critique of cartography views maps primarily as, correct answer is option number B, text embedding power and ideology. Which thinker's concept of deconstruction influenced postmodern geography? Correct answer is option number A, Jacques Derrida. Okay, postmodernism post-1970s rejects grand narratives and universal truths, favoring plurality and local context. Entered geography through the cultural turn late 1980s, drawing on Lyotard, Foucault, Derrida and Baudrillard. Reframe maps, landscape and text as discourses, carrying power and ideology, not neutral mirrors of reality. Enable feminist, postcolonial and identity-based geographies, criticized for relativism and political paralysis. Construct sharply with modernist, positivist spatial science, a key conceptual dualism for the exam. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.